guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with a wonderful recipe, a wonderful food. It's called as bottle Posto. Very easy to make and very delicious to taste. So it's a lockdown. Everybody will be boring. So you guys have to try this recipe at home, and please give me a feedback below and subscribe to my channel, like my video, watch it till the end. So we're gonna start this with grinding. So poppy seeds, chilies, so we're gonna start with mustard oil. So we're gonna put this pointed guard in Potol, and we're gonna do shallow fry. So it's ready now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and put it in a paper, soaking paper. And we're gonna put this potatoes in this and fry it. We need to flip it over a little bit, and these are really nice crispy potatoes. Now it's ready, so we're gonna take this out. So we're gonna take 2 pinch of black zira. So then we're gonna add this poppy seed paste in this. Be careful, it's gonna diffuse that. Add little water in this. You can take out all the poppy seeds from this. So yeah, we are good. It's really lovely in color. Stir it well, so it becomes a little thick paste. So add little turmeric powder. It's optional again. A pinch of turmeric powder. Salt is again as per your taste. So you can see now it's become thick now. So we're gonna add water in this. So you can see the texture. It's colorful. You can taste this with rice. It will give you a really nice taste with rice. So now it's ready. So we're gonna add pointed guard. So mix really nice and leave it for say 5 more minutes now, and it's done. It's ready now. You can see really yum. So we're gonna taste this now. Put it in a bowl. So it's ready now, you can have a look. It looks really yum. So we're gonna taste this, and please do like my video. subscribe to my channel, and please do try this at home. You will definitely love it. Cheers!